Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And today we're continuing our road on trying to figure out the lighting situation. I really hope this video is going to be better than the previous three. I can't promise anything though because it looks really grey outside and chances are it's gonna be raining today, so I might need to readjust the camera and the lighting again, and we're probably gonna end up looking yellow again, but we're in process of trying to figure that one out as well. I don't know whether you can tell, however I managed to get a cold again, but oh well, what can you do? I just hope I get rid of it quickly, and I do hope that wherever you are healthy and that everything is okay. But anyway, before I get further into the video, just mumbling along, I will actually tell you what we're doing today. And today I decided to just do a chatty get ready with me, what I'm getting ready for. I don't know, because literally as soon as this video is done I will be taking off the makeup because I just can't wait to get back to bed, to be quite honest. But I decided to do something to try to cheer up myself a little bit, and I decided that I really wanted to play around again with the Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. In case you haven't seen it, this is, which I mean it's very doubtful, let's face it, but this is the let's see, how are we going to do that? There we go. This is the Kat Von D limited edition Saint and Sinner eyeshadow palette. It contains 24 eyeshadows, as you can see. As you can see, this palette is huge. The packaging beautiful. If you want to see my initial review of this palette, I will link a video down below in the description bar where you can go check it out. Why always this eyeshadow? I will just say that for some reason this eyeshadow here, which is called Cathedral, hates me. Maybe subconsciously I hate it, because this is the second time I dug in this eyeshadow palette, of course by mistake. The first one was here, now I digged in here and I tried to even it out, but I just don't know why. It's actually a really pretty eyeshadow, but I just thought that I create the easy get ready with me and create a look with this. I do not have anything planned, therefore I don't actually know what look I will be creating with this. I will scoop you in a little bit closer. First I will be using the color Amen. We're going to go in next with the orange. Here it's called the Devil. Taking Sacred Heart, I'm going to go over the orange, which was the color Devil, and I will blend it out with the color Sacred Heart. If you think this looks crazy, yep, it does. But it's a lot and back and forward with eyeshadow always. And I realized that I'm creating a black noir kind of a look. I will link it below. I will link explanation below. This kind of makeup was really popular in the, as I said, that just happens when I do not plan a makeup look. However, this is going to be a lot more, it's going to be colorful makeup, not just black and white. But it looks like that's the direction we're going in. So I'm just gonna tag along and see where this takes me. Next, we are going to take the color Stigmata. Taking Sacred Heart, we're gonna blend out the color Stigmata. I know it looks crazy, but trust me, it's gonna get better. The color Sanctuary. Looks like a brown, but also has some reddish, purpley reflex. So I thought it would look good with the look. Oh, I understand this is probably not a look for everyone, or I can't really see many people wearing that on a daily basis, but hey, it's here, you know. If this is something that is appealing to you, go for it. This is definitely more of a auditorial kind of a look, maybe for photo shootings. Probably not something you would wear on a daily basis. However, if it is, go for it. Okay, so now what we need to do is the eyebrows. This is pretty much more or less the finished look. But yeah, we need to do our eyebrows because for that period the eyebrows were quite bold, to say the least. So we are gonna take one from Catrice, and it is called, oh dear, I will try to figure out what color this is and let you know. However, it's kind of a ash brown, and I must say this pencil, I have worn this with orange hair, I've worn this with my natural hair color, and it just worked for me. It's just kind of a very all-rounder. It just works with a lot of different types of hair color, I would say. This is the one step I usually skip, is my brows. Next, we are going to put on eyeliner real quick, using the eyeliner I love so much, which is the Kiko Precision eyeliner. It's easy to apply, it looks good. However, I would not recommend you buy this eyeliner because it actually flakes off and you have a whole black trail after a few hours on your face, and also it bleeds, so you look sad and tired. I realize that the line is taking away from the eyeshadow, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, and now we're going to put on mascara, and now we're gonna clean up. So this is pretty much what we got. Now I know it looks a little crazy, but this is just what happened today. So that's what we're going with. Now we're going to take the foundation. As usual, I am using, can you see this difference? I'm pretty sure you can, right? I'm using the Dermacool foundation for filming. As I previously said, for filming it's great. However, probably wouldn't recommend to have it on for a longer period of time because you're gonna look like a greasy mess, but it covers ridiculously. The problem I'm having now is that it looks like the first little amount I put out was already oxidated. And I do find that this foundation does oxidize a little bit. Okay, you know what? No. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the bit that oxidized away and just continue with the video. This brush here, it's Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I love this brush. This and the Essential Foundation brush. Great. This is definitely my favorite brushes when it comes for applying foundation. Okay. What redness? Sorry, what was that? RCMA color powder. I have been recently reminded that, of course, you do not need to powder your entire face, especially if your skin is dry. However, I like setting my whole face, especially when I know I'm gonna have a long day and I want to make sure that everything stays in place. Not that I'm having a long day today, but you know. Liner from Barry M. It's in the color 7. There you go. You could finish it here. OCC lip tar in RTW, and looks like this. It has a really strong minty smell, but it has the most ridiculous pigment. I'm gonna dab it. So to take this even further, we're gonna put a little bit of shine in the middle, and for that I'm gonna take the Lottie London Hollow, it's not hollow, duochrome lip gloss in the color shade, and we're just gonna blend this out. I will insert the picture somewhere, which I will take without flash with my phone, just to show you how this looks like without crazy lighting here. This is my finished look. I hope you liked it. I will go before the lighting changes even more and I look as a ghost even more. But yeah, this is it. This is the look for today. Please let me know if there is a look that you would like me to do with any of the palettes that I previously mentioned, or if there is a product you would actually like me to review. I will if I can. And yeah guys, I really hope you're well. I hope you're having a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, night, wherever you are. And yeah, please take care, be safe, and I will see you in my next video. Hopefully. Bye!